Hey everybody, welcome back here to A Place to Heal. I know it's been a while, but it's not going to be a while anymore. So I wanted to let you guys know what was going on so you guys are up to speed. I started doing my videos on TikTok, and yesterday I actually had one of my videos silenced because they felt that my the detox that I gave was too intense and I should not be teaching people this. So I've now decided that I'm going to piggyback. Every single one of my videos is going on TikTok, it is going on YouTube, and it is going on Instagram. So anywhere you are, you're gonna get a notification that there's a video up. All right, so let's get started on this week's video. You know, if you go out there, I did this video for my Patreon group when I had that, and you know, it was wonderful. So there's a lot of people out there selling ginger oil, right? For your face, for your body. Ginger oil is exceptional. If you have if you have stomach cramps, if you're on your menstrual and you have stomach cramps, or after a workout, if your muscles are cramping, or if you have kidney issues. So if you have kidney issues, man, your kidneys love that ginger. They really do. Sore feet, anything, you know, it is exceptional for this. So it is so easy to make that you should never, ever purchase those high-end, crazy, expensive oils. Okay, so it's pretty easy. All you need to do is you need to get yourself a very small crock pot. The smaller, the better. And you just want to make sure that it has a high and a low setting. Okay, so it just doesn't have one setting. So you're going to get yourself a nice chunk of ginger. I have found that if I really want to find good ginger, I go to the Asian stores. They have the best. Look at that. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to peel your ginger, get that outside off of it. And you either want to get a grater, which takes a lot longer and it's a lot harder, but you want to get half a cup of ginger. What I like to do is I just go ahead and what I do is I just slice mine like that. I just slice mine in very tiny slices, and then I just throw it all into the crock pot. I make sure I got half a cup and I put it all into the crock pot. Once you have at least half a cup, it's got to be half a cup of ginger, you want to take a hot end oil, right? It doesn't matter if it's avocado oil. It doesn't matter if it's what is this? You know, it doesn't matter if it's avocado, grape seed, or olive oil. These are all high-end oils, okay? You cannot use like canola oil or vegetable oil or something like that. It has to be an oil that can handle high heat. So avocado, you know, grape seed, or olive oil. And then you want to get 2 cups of that. You want to put it into your crock pot. You want to set that crock pot on low, and you want to just cover it, and you want to allow it to sit there for 4 hours. Just let it sit there and cook. That ginger is going to infuse into the oil, and when you're all done, you're going to end up with something like that. And it smells so good. Now what I like to do is I will take like 5 to 10 drops of an essential oil that I like, whether it's lavender. This one is lemon. I know exactly what I used because I can smell the lemon in there. So you want to add 5 to 10 drops in there to give it that smell. And you want to label your jar for 6 months out. After 6 months, this oil starts to get rancid and you just want to throw it away. So you don't want to make too much at one time. So this is out for 6 months. I usually give these out on Christmas and stuff, but I'm telling you, if you have young girls in the house, or even if you're one of those women that has, you know, that has cysts that like to burst, or, you know, you have menstrual cramps that time of the month, you rub it on your belly. Oh man, man, it's wonderful. After a workout, you have those sore shoulders, you rub it on there. Oh man. And it is, you cannot find anything better, I promise you, for those kidneys. You got kidney pain, you rub that right on those kidneys and you will feel instant relief. And especially if you decide to rub some on there and then lay on a heating pad, instant relief. You're gonna love it. All right, so try it out. Let me know how you like it. Comment underneath the video. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna suddenly be like poof, all over the place. There's one thing I cannot stand is being censored. Because I think that right now, more than ever, is when we need to get this information out to the masses so we can start healing ourselves and taking care of ourselves. And I'm going to be giving you liver flushes, gallbladder flushes. I'm going to tell you how to take care of your liver, your gallbladder, your colon. I'm going to give you all sorts of stuff like I have been for years. All right. See you next week. Stay happy, stay healthy, love and respect one another. Bye-bye.